in her, it's okay. It's an accident. Completely unintentional. It was 3 goddamn years ago. The little fucker had thrown all my papers all over the floor. All I tried to do was pull them up. A momentary loss of muscular coordination. 3 square foot-pounds of energy per second.
Wellington said that him and the other Wombles always used to like to go out on the common at Wimbledon, right? And, yes, I know that's bad, isn't it? People used to leave lots and lots of litter about, and so they decided that they'd start up a clean-up campaign, which they did, and then when everything was cleaned up, they noticed how lovely it was, and that's how they got interested in nature, really, wasn't it? When you saw how lovely it could all look. That's lovely, what? Yes, Super Friends is coming up in a minute. Is that one of your favourite programmes? Yes, Wellington's just saying that he loves Super Friends and he really wants to watch it. Well, I'll tell you what, why don't you go and lie down over there, and you can watch Super Friends. And one other thing you asked me earlier, wasn't it, was if you could help out this morning. Well, I'm telling you, I've got lots of work that you can do. So you go and have a rest now, and we'll have Super Friends on in a minute. You lay down there, Wellington, nice and comfortable. See, Wellington's got to have a rest. Ah, there we are. Are you comfy now, then? You watch the television over there, OK? And Wellington and I will be back later with some more guests, but now, part 1 of Super Friends.
A long time ago, in a galaxy far, far away, a great adventure took place.
I love a visit to the zoo. It's good value for money. You get a piss, a shit, a wank and a butt all in one cage.
This is Heroes, a space soldier from a planet of your galaxy. I fully realize our language differences. However, I also know you finally have perfected the digital robotary, or as you on Earth call it, the language computer. So you can now understand that which I speak. Since the beginning of your time, we have been far beyond your planet. It has taken you centuries to even grasp what we developed eons of your years ago. Do you still believe it impossible we exist? You didn't actually think you were the only inhabited planet in the universe. How can any race be so stupid?
Amid the turmoil and confusion, the reporter must be able to think clearly and quickly. He analyzes and explains its meaning.
I remember festivals in Iceland with like 1,000 people, and that was like, I don't know, like 1% of the Icelandic nation or something. And me rolling in mud and, you know, the usual. I actually had blueberry yogurt in my hair for 3 days.
It was slow tonight, isn't it?
Go directly to jail, do not pass go, do not collect 200... I'm sorry, that's the wrong card. Time for a spot prize. Do you have spots?
A few.
Do you enjoy full but...
Do I enjoy what?
It doesn't, I can't read that. It's not very nice. What the writers have asked me to read at this stage, Miss Reddy, is not nice.
Okay.
I'm sorry I have Lassa fever. Please look at this watch.
At the third stroke, it will be 5, 5, and 50 seconds.
Time of rest is at an end. Creatures of the night awake. It's time for Vampire Radio!
At the third stroke, it will be 6, 6, and 10 seconds.
I think that's right. I really include not only the commercial, I not only include the commercials, I include Hugh Green's program. Really right. Look, you're always backing loser. You backed a loser with a Liberal Party the last time. Believe you me, you are talking rubbish. Commercial television has proved one thing. I'm gonna leave this party tonight. I'm gonna leave this party tonight. You got it. I'm gonna leave this party tonight. I'm gonna leave this party tonight. You got it. I'm gonna leave this party tonight. I'm gonna leave this party tonight.
It was slow tonight, isn't it?
I'm gonna leave this party tonight.